So hi friends, welcome to TP Chennai. In this video we are going to see 10 arithmetic question which is very much important for your SBI clerical, IBPS, RRB, PO as well as IBPS, RRB clerical examination. So first question is nothing but A is 6 years older than B and the ratio between the percentage of C to A is 10:9. If 2 years hence, sum of the ages of A and B is 34 years, find the age of C 4 years hence. Problems in ages question here, right? So what they have given you, A is 6 years older than B. That means A minus B is equal to 6. And the ratio between the percentage of C to A is 10:9. So C to A is nothing but 10:9. If 2 years hence, sum of the age of A and B will be 34 years. After 2 years, sum of the ages of A and B is 34 years. What is the percentage of A and B together? That means percentage of A and B. So you will say, sir, -2, -2. That means 2 years we have to subtract from A and 2 years we have to subtract from B. So 34 minus 4 is how much? 30. So A plus B is how much? 30. Now what they are asking, find the age of C 4 years hence. We have the ratio of C and A. That means from this we have to calculate the value of A. How? We need to add. So 2A is equal to how much? 36. A is equal to how much? 18. Right? And when A is 18, so 2 part is 18. So 10 part is how much? 20. Now what they are asking, find the age of C 4 years hence. After 4 years, present age of C is 20. After 4 years it is 20 for 4. What is the answer? 24 years, which is nothing but third option. Next one, the ratio of radius of a circle to the side of a square is 7:8 and the difference between the perimeter of a circle and that of a square is 24 centimeter. Find the area of square. Mensuration question, right? So ratio of radius of a circle to side of a square is 7:8. That means R is to A is equal to 7:8. And the difference between the perimeter of a circle and perimeter of a square is 24 centimeter. What is perimeter of a circle? 2 pi r. So 2 into 22 by 7. R is nothing but how much? 7x. You can take 7 also. Minus what is perimeter of a square? 4 into a. Right? 4 into a. So which is 4 into 8 is equal to how much they have given you? 24. Right? 7 gone. This is 44 minus 32 is equal to 24. So 12 part is 44. 1 part is how much? 2. Right? 1 part is 2. So what they are asking? Find the area of a square. That means we have to calculate first side. So 1 part is 2. 8 part is how much? 16. So what is area of a square? Side square. 16 square. What is the answer? 256 centimeter square, which is nothing but third option. My answer is third option. So I hope you are clear with the previous question. Now we will see third one. So a man sells a chair at rupees 960 and earns a profit of 20%. If the man wants to sell it at a profit of 40%, then at what price he should sell the chair? Right? So what they have given you? Initially a man sells a chair at rupees 160 and he got a profit of 20%. That means 120 part is how much? 960 rupees. But he wants to sell it in such a way that he needs 40% profit. So 140 part is how much? Right? So 120 into 8 is 960. 140 into 8 is 1120. My answer is first option. Next one. A man invested rupees X at the rate of 16% per annum on simple interest for 2.5 years. If the man received rupees 1000 as interest, find the value of X. So investment principal amount is rupees X and the rate of interest is 16% per annum on simple interest for 2.5 years. 16% for 1 year, 2.5 years it is how much? 40%. So 40 part how much they have given you? Interest. 1000. Right? They have given you 1000. Now what they are asking? Principal. So 100 part is how much? Right? So cancel this number. 22s are 25s are 2 500, sir. 500 into 5 is how much? 2500, which is nothing but third option. So I hope you clear with previous question. Now we'll see fifth one. A is 40% more efficient than B, and both together can complete a work in 5 days. If A and C together can complete the same work in 6 days, then in how many days B and C together can complete the 2 times of the same work? A is 40% more efficient than B. So what is the ratio of A and B, efficiency ratio? Who is more? A is more. 40% fraction value is 2 by 5. If B is 5, A is 7. And together they can complete a work in 5 days. What is together part here? 7 plus 5, 12. So work is how much? 12 into 5, which is 60. Efficiency in 2 days is equal to work only. If A and C together can complete the same work in 6 days, work is 60. So A plus C is how much? 60 by 6, which is 10 days. A plus C together efficiency is 10. In that A efficiency is 7. So what is C efficiency? 10 minus 7, 3. Then in how many days B and C together can complete twice the same work? B and C, what is the efficiency of B? 5. Efficiency of C is 3. Efficiency together efficiency is nothing but 8. And twice the work is nothing but 60 into 2, 120. So my answer is 120 divided by 8, which is 15 days, which is nothing but third option. Next one. The average of three numbers A, B, C is 60 years. The average of A and C is 54. If the average of B and C is 66, then find the value of C. So average of three number A, B, C is how much? 60. So what about total? A plus B plus C is nothing but 180. 60 into 3. The average of A and C is how much? 54. So what about total? 54 into 3 is how much? And average of B and C is how much they have given you? 66. Right? So what about total? 132. If you substitute this value here in the first equation, you will get B. B is nothing but 180 minus 108 is nothing but how much? B is 70. B is 72. Right? If you keep B here, C will be how much? 132 minus 72 is 60. Now what they are asking? C, right? C. So my answer is 60, which is nothing but third option. So I hope you clear with previous question. Now we'll see next one. A boat covers 6 km in downstream in 36 minutes. The ratio of speed of boat in still water to speed of steam is 4:1. Find the time taken by boat to cover 24 km upstream. So what they have given you? A boat covers 6 km in downstream in 36 minutes. Downstream is nothing but x plus y. So x plus y is nothing but how much? Distance divided by time, and speed is in kilometer per hour, right? So this is 36 into 60. Right? So what is the answer? 10. And then they have given you ratio of speed of boat in still water to speed of stream is 4:1. That means x is to y is nothing but 4:1. Downstream is nothing but x plus y. So 5 part how much they have given you? 10. 1 part is how much? 2. So this is 8 and this is 2. Right? Now what they are asking? Find the time taken by boat to cover 24 km upstream. Upstream is nothing but x minus y. So 8 minus 2 is 6. So time is equal to distance is 24 divided by 6. What is the answer? 4 hours, which is nothing but fourth option. Right? Next one. 40% of A is equal to 25% of B, and 37.5% of A plus B is equal to 117. Find the difference between A and B. So A, B, right? Nothing is there. A 40% of A is there, 25% of B is there, right? A value in B, B value in A. What is the answer? 5, 5, 5, A. So A is to B is 5 is to A. And 37.5% of A plus B is equal to 117. What is 37.5% fraction value? 3 by 8. So 3 by 8 of A plus B. A plus B is nothing but how much they have given you? 117. A plus B is nothing but 13. 3 by 8 of 13 is equal to 117. 39 3s are, so one part is 24. Find the difference between A and B. A and B, what is the difference here? 3. So 3 part is how much? 72, which is nothing but second option. So I hope you are clear with the 8th question which we have seen in arithmetic here, which is very much important when it comes to your examination. So do subscribe TP Chennai YouTube channel for further updates and videos, and do share this video among your friends in Telegram, Instagram, Facebook and WhatsApp. Prepare well, all the best. Most probably your SBI clerical prelims examination will be in first or second week of July. So daily write one mock test and do practice more. Practice simplification question, approximation, quadratic equation as well as arithmetic with basic level of DI. You can easily crack preliminary examination, which is very much important not only for your SBI clerical examination but also for your IBPS RRB PO as well as IBPS RRB clerical examination. So thanks a lot, all the best.